Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. It's Sunday, and my son is under the weather today, and actually I'm not feeling all that hot myself. So I used an app called Instacart. I keep hearing about it, and I've never used it. And I found a $10 off promo code for your first order, so I thought, why not use it today? Since I don't really want to go anywhere, I'm taking care of my son. So my delivery just came. And it was nice to save $10 because that pretty much waived like the delivery fee and the tip and all of that. So I don't know that I would use this on a regular basis because I'm somebody who enjoys going to the grocery store. But definitely in times like this where maybe I'm not feeling well or my son's not feeling well, you know, like in a pinch situation, it's really convenient. So this stuff's from Price Chopper. And the girl was super sweet and really fast. I ordered and it was all here in less than an hour. So I needed some whole milk, so I got that. I had her pick up some Fuji apple vinaigrette Panera at home salad dressing. I did need some potatoes, so this is a 5-pound bag of white potatoes. Need chicken breasts for a few recipes this week. This is a 2-pound container, some strawberries here, Florida strawberries, and then some organic raspberries, some deli ham for my husband's lunches this week, some celery, a couple Roma tomatoes, some golden raisins because I'm going to be starting my food prep now, which I always do Sundays, but today I'm getting a little bit later of a start. And I'm going to do, with some of this chicken breast, I'm going to do some curry chicken salad. And I need some golden raisins for that. I'm not sure if I said tomatoes, but tomatoes. Some romaine lettuce, a couple sweet potatoes, some coleslaw mix, because I like to use this and saute it up. I don't even need the dressing. I'm just going to saute up the veggies and use it as a side. And I also got some of these pork and cabbage pot stickers. They just sounded good randomly. I think all of this was like 40 bucks. I know this alone was like $11 by itself. So not too bad. And there's going to be another haul or two after this one. I'll just combine them all for the end of the week. So just keep on watching. Alright guys, before I get into my Walmart haul, I wanted to show you the few things I ordered from Boxed.com this week. I have been obsessed with them. This is my third order in like less than 2 weeks. I love them because you can get wholesale sized items shipped right to your house. You don't have to leave. My husband and son have been under the weather this week. So I just grabbed a few things and the shipping is super fast. I don't know if it's just because they ship not too far from my house in New Jersey, but I always get my shipping like next day. So I needed some more lint rollers. We have a cat and I always like to keep our clothes like lint free because of allergies. So I grabbed this 5-pack of these Scotch-Brite terrible lint rollers. I usually pick one of these up, I feel like every 6 months or so. So I grabbed a new pack of those. Boxed had a promotion for a free, this is their house brand, Prince and Spring. It was like a free item, one of these with any order. So I got these disinfecting wipes, which I'm going to need this week since Grady and my husband are under the weather. So that was completely free. My free samples, I got a dishwasher detergent pack by the house brand, Prince and Spring. And then I also got 2 free Persil pods. Now I don't use the pods, I use the liquid Persil, but they were free, so I'm going to give them to my brother for when like he goes to the laundromat or something, because the apartment he lives in does not have a washer and a dryer, and they were free, so I'm not going to turn them down. I also got some Prince and Spring, again the house brand, premium fabric softener. This was $7 and it's like 4 of the normal size fabric softener and fabric conditioners I get, which I pay like $4 for. So I'm going to give it a try. It smells really good, and it was on sale, 7 something. I also got this Cento organic tomato paste because I want to go ahead and make another big batch of my marinara sauce maybe this weekend. So I grabbed these, and my mom uses these in the tube, and she always says they're really good. So I decided I would try those. I also got some Pringles. They had a good price on these. And Pringles along with the white corn tortilla chips are two of our most eaten chips that my husband and I like. And then I also went ahead and got my mom a case of bubbly sparkling water. This is the variety pack, so it has like strawberry and orange and cherry and lemon lime. I think this is citrus, blackberry, and then this is, I think, black cherry or raspberry. But yeah, the couple that I had given her, the bubbly, she really liked them. So I thought I'd surprise her and get her a case. They were a good price, $9.34 for an 18 pack, which comes out to what, like 50 something cents per can. So I thought I would surprise my mom and get her a case of bubbly. And then now I'm going to show you everything I grabbed at Walmart. By the way, guys, I have a $15 off your first boxed order of $60 or more. That's free shipping. So I'll leave it in the description box down below. A bunch of you guys have tried it and told me you got your orders really fast and you loved everything. So again, I'll leave that link down below in the description box, and I'm going to show you now my stuff from Walmart. Hey guys, just got back from Walmart and picked up a few things. This week, as you guys saw, was like a mishmash between what I got from Instacart delivered, some stuff from Boxed, and this. Because everybody was sick except me, thank God. It's just kind of up in the air this week. Hopefully next week we'll be back to normal. But anyways, from Walmart I grabbed a loaf of bread because Grady's been liking toast, just like buttered toast this week when he hasn't been feeling well. And then of course I can use this for like French toast sandwiches, etc. I got some grape tomatoes. I got a couple of these pure leaf teas, the mint and the mango hibiscus to throw in Matt's lunches. They were on sale for $1. A gallon of water for the coffee maker. I'm going to try this Johnson's Soothing Vapor Bath for Grady because I'm going to give him a nice bubble bath today, and I thought this would be nice to like open up his sinuses. I got some non-drowsy daytime severe cold and flu for Matt because he is going to try and go back to work tomorrow. I'm filming this on Tuesday, and he's definitely going to need something to help him through the day, and if he doesn't feel good, he can come home, obviously. I got this Bear Creek chicken noodle soup mix. I think I'll try and make this for Matt later, just to see like if the broth will help him feel better, although he is feeling better today. I got some King's Hawaiian sub rolls, which I like to eat these King's Hawaiian little rolls just as is, or obviously you can make a little sandwich with them. I got some Pillsbury pie crust because I'm going to do some quiche and some salads. Some Mott's mango peach applesauce pouches. Grady likes these and he's been having them since he's been under the weather. A lot of applesauce and toast. Some eggs for the quiche and normal, regular, everyday cooking. I got these Halls Kids Cough and Sore Throat Pops. They're like lollipop Halls. So hopefully those will work good. I got a cucumber for salads, some cat food, some Great Value lightly salted white corn tortilla chips, and then I picked these up every once in a while for my cat. They're on sale. They were on sale for $2. She already has the same exact one, but it's, I don't know, about 5 or 6 months old. So usually I replace it like twice a year, and she has like a little cat bed, and these are really soft. And she likes to kind of like burrow in them, and for $2, why not? So I think they were either $2 or $2.50. They were on sale for. So I grab one every once in a while. All this stuff, guys, was under 50 bucks. It was like $48 or so. So yeah, that was my randomness for the week. I'm going to show you my meal plan for next week and hopefully get back on track. Alright guys, meal plan for the upcoming week. This past week was a hot mess. You guys know, Grady and Matt were sick, so for the past 5 days, I wasn't able to leave my house really, except with the exception to run out really quickly. So today I'm filming this on Thursday. I have no clue if any of this is even going to happen, but I'm going to try my best because again, I'm really scrambling right now to play catch up with everything. So one night next week, I'm going to make a quiche. I think I had it on my last week's meal plan, but it never happened because everybody being sick really derailed things. So I'm going to do a ham and cheddar quiche with a salad. I'm also going to do taco salads one night. I have a little note to make extra taco meat so I can have an extra taco salad for myself for lunch next week, since I'm going to have to play a lot of catch up working next week from home. I got some really good locally made kielbasa from a local company, so I am going to make a stir fry with potatoes and cabbage. I'm gonna make some Philly cheesesteaks next week. I have some nice like cheesesteak rolls, and I just have to buy the shaved beef. I'll just run out and buy that next week, and I'll do some oven fries. I'm gonna do a veggie noodle stir fry with shrimp. I put a question mark with the shrimp because hopefully I can remember to buy the shrimp. If not, it'll be a veggie night, and I'll just do veggie and noodle stir fry, like an Asian sort of style one. Sunday or Monday, I'm not sure which yet. We're gonna do dinner at my parents' house. I'm not sure which night yet, like I mentioned. And then of course I have a freebie night where I can do breakfast for dinner, I can do leftovers, or I can just kind of freestyle it and do whatever I want. So who knows what's gonna happen next week. Again, just playing catch up. I will have a new what's for dinner video going up, I'm pretty sure on Monday. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you guys all in a new video on Monday. Bye guys.